Good afternoon, team. All right, we're on the construction site now. I got my boy with me today. He's hanging out with me. Right, Jay? Yeah. Okay. So, I'm not going to get too close to the hole. Just safety, right? But check it out. So, what we've got here, all this steel right here, that's already all the form out and structural steel for the concrete pad for the bottom of the search pit. So this is the search pit. Now, starting to look at it, you could tell those right there, those pipes coming out, the gray ones, that's our feeds to the slides. So you can see there is not much more room here. It's going to be very tight. It's going to be really, really tight. So it's going to be a tight pump house. But you can see we've got a lot already done here. They're still doing some more grading, but we've got a lot of spoil here of dirt, so we've got to get a lot of the spoil out of here. So they're still working on that. Looks like they've already did it, but let me see. Yeah, that's it. See that orange pipe right there? So that orange pipe is the domestic water feed coming to the pump house, and it's going to feed right there. That's the feed for it right there. And it's got to go to a backflow preventer, 2-inch backflow. All these guys right here are clean outs, and then the main drain right there, that's going to be on the bottom of the filter. Excuse me, it'll be a sump, but for the filter. And remember, we're going with a Defender in this area. So now they're pouring this. It's not monolithic, right? So they're going to pour this, and then we're going to have some structural, some rebar sticking out, and then we'll tie in the rest of the walls. So if you see the vertical rebar coming up, that vertical rebar is what's going to tie in to the wall whenever it comes up. Okay, remember that wall is going to be about 6 feet high and then 4 foot high in the pump house, roughly. So it'll be like some of the other pump houses we've seen as far as the height goes. So won't be too bad. You know what? We can go and take a look at that over there. The water feed comes from over there, and so is domestic water feed, and the sanitary sewers coming from that area. So let's take a little walk over here, Jay. Looking good, looking good. Okay, I was curious if they started this or not. I haven't been able to come out here lately. My truck broke down yesterday. Yay! Okay, so what we've got here, they're working on the steel. They're working on the steel here. This is going to be the grade beam. This will be the grade beam for the wall, for the retaining wall that we're going to have. And then, of course, in here, it's going to be nice and high. That'll be the starter point for the water slides. So there's the pump house. We'll have the stairwell will come start this way, meander, and then it'll come into this direction right here. So that's what that is. That'll be the base grade beam for the for the retaining wall. And it's got to be not only deep, thick, but it's really long. They're going to try and make that 100% monolithic. So anyway, that's just a quick update. And you can see there's some conduit we got to work on and fix, but that'll be it. This netting, we've made a decision that's going to go for now. And then they're going to pour a small pad for us right here for the lifeguard. And then we're going to come up with a path right here for the lifeguard. You can see that they're supposed to, you see it's already yellow cut, so they're going to trench this out as well, excavate it out. And then we'll go ahead and get the steel in there and formed up. If you see the gauges on top of those pipes, that's for pressure testing. All this is being pressure tested. So we're in good shape, boys and girls. All right. Appreciate you hanging out with us. We'll check you on the next one. Take care.